Following several reports in US media that the Taliban have arrived in Karachi, I set out to try and find out where these men are. In particular, we're talking about Osama. We're also talking about Mullah Umar, who's recently been cited according to certain articles. So I'm setting out to try and find these men in Karachi. And they aren't easy to find. Well, I didn't expect it to be, since Karachi's a pretty big place, but if Newsweek says they're here, then someone must have seen them. So if the Taliban are like mosquitoes swarming the city of Karachi, sipping sweet baby blood, they should be in Machar Colony. So I went round asking people in the area if they'd seen any of the usual suspects. So even though I didn't find him, this guy I'm betting will let me know when they do show up. I'm not really sure about that. Even the men in blue, the ones who should be on the lookout, don't really know where they are. He didn't even answer my question. आपने ये लोग देखा कराची में? So, again, where are these men hiding? They're not in mosquito land, and well, if I had to hide, I wouldn't choose the most likely place. And the most unlikely place for bearded men in robes, shying away from uncovered women, would be...
Not in defense, I believe.
In Karachi, but not in Zamzam.
Has anybody seen him?
We're looking for him.
You can keep on looking, but I don't think that's a fact.
Well, he's got a good point. Has anyone seen them?
Pakistan mein bhi nahi, ye bhi main aapse keh do.
Pakistan mein nahi, kahan hai? Wait a minute. Newsweek, this guy knows something you don't.
Kisi waqt hoga, wo America agent, udhar hi America mein hoga.
But let's never ask this girl where they are.
I think that's pretty scary. It is. So probably I would just run away.
Yes, it is pretty scary when people don't report terrorist activities and bombs go off. But this guy isn't scared to admit what we hope isn't the truth. Al-Qaeda Karachi mein aayegi. Aapne dekha?
हाँ.
Kahan?
यहाँ कहाँ है पता के बंदो मचर करने से गरीब आबादी में और वो जब होंगे वो काम कर रहे हैं तो वो किसी न किसी जो है उन मुनज़्ज़म साथियों के साथ होगा.
Okay, he's got a point too. However, for these two ladies, Taliban or no Taliban, they can be great household help.
I have no idea about what
even I have two Afghani maid
kids like working in our house.
I like them, their eyes, their beauty. I like Taliban anyway.
So where are they? I've had a look, haven't found them. I've asked loads of people, they have no clue. Maybe you know, and maybe you'd like to let us know. So please do write to us.
And we hope we won't hear from this guy.
But
we know that he's on the lookout. Mikhal Fernandez-Islam, DawnNews.